How to upsell a product on Shopify. You want to increase your sales with upselling on Shopify. In this video, I show you how to set up upsell offers to boost your revenue. First of all, log into Shopify. So open your Shopify admin panel and log into your account. Go to your product list and select the item you want to upsell. If you don't already have one, go to the Shopify App Store and install an upsell app like Bold Upsell or Upsell Product for easy upselling integration, as these apps will help with the integration. In the app, create a new upsell offer, choose the main product and select the additional products you want to suggest to the customer. Adjust the offer's appearance like the discount, product description and button text to make it appealing and clear for the customer. Now you can set up the upsell and to show automatically on the checkout page, or customize when and where you want the offer to appear. You can test the upsell, so go through the checkout process yourself on your own Shopify store to ensure the upsell offer works and looks great, just the way you want it. And that's how you upsell products on Shopify. Thanks for watching.